you.
Pia.
Dormaahene onsaji fuosi ade yaji my bedu a otosumie.
Ode you.
Aduana atwa ban brani ni nyankompa sechi.
Mwanyado.
Aduana fuo piesie. Yera ye mauchi nkwa ewisi o.
Your question, Dormaa, the people of Dormaa.
Yeah.
We are subgroup of the Aduana clan.
Okay.
And we are the firstborns. Aduana PSC.
Aduana PSC. I've heard that phrase before.
Yes.
Aduana PSC.
We are in the Bono region.
Okay.
Most of the people there are farmers and traders.
Okay.
We are known as warriors. But the people of Dormaa migrated from Akwem in the eastern region. Akwem in the eastern region, behind the Volta River.
Yes.
The migration came about when then King Nana and Sansa Seku passed away. And there were two twins, Atakra Meniampon, Penny, and Atakra Meniampon, Kuma.
Okay.
They were all interested in ascending to the throne. They all wanted to be the king or be installed. So it brought a lot of dispute and chaos in the town. And their mother, Nana or Queen Kumida, but they say Kumda, thought it wise as a mother not to sit down and let chieftaincy separate or tear apart the relationship of the two brothers.
Okay.
So he decided to take the Atakuma, that is Atakra Emeniampon Kuma, to get him a new settlement.
Okay.
So they left Akwem. And when they decided to leave, majority of the kingmakers also follow.
Okay.
And some of the royal family follow them. They settle at Akwem, so then move on. They settle at Nsawam, Kou, a lot of places. But because of time constraint, I want to talk about the ABCD of the Dormaa history.
Yes, ma'am.
The ABC of Dormaa history will boss on Abesim,
Okay.
Bomaa,
Okay.
Chiraa, and Dormaa itself.
This is proper ABC.
Sure. So at that place, that is where they settled and all those wars took place. So the people got scattered because of the war.
Right.
So they moved forward, and when they got to Bomaa, the B, the Bomaa is literally means boa, oh my, ano. Gather your people. Gather your people. So then chief had a drum, but he put up a 2-story building. We call Abansoro in Chi.
Yes.
Yes. So the people used to call it Aban. Aban. Then he had a drum called Aprede.
Aprede, yeah.
So every evening he will play that drum. Then it will draw people from the close villages and the town to come and listen to the Aban as a sort of entertainment. So when they are going, they will say, we are going to the Aban Ase, Aban Ase. Aban Ase.
Yeah.
Aprede. So with that, it was corrupted to Aban Predase.
Wow.
Aban Predase. That is where the paramount stew is. Wherever the paramount stew is called Aban Predase. So currently in Dormaa, we have Aban Predase. That is where the paramount stew is. Wow. So that Aban drum was able to bring the people together.
The people who scattered.
Yes.
Brought them
together.
Okay.
So from there, they moved to Abesim.
Okay. Nanahima, this one, please hold on. Is that why you have a dance called Bomaa?
Good. The Bomaa is that drum is from where they first settled.
Oh, so is the drumming that gave the name to the dance?
Yes.
Okay.
So you see that's Bomaa. The Bomaa chief is called Kwafakutu. As your side.
Yes, so they know who Kwafakutu.
Sure.
Yeah.
And they also don't instill queen mothers.
Okay.
The paramount queen mother takes up the role of the queen mother in Bomaa.
Okay.
As it stands.
Okay. Okay.
Because that is where they scattered in the Bro region.
Okay.
Our area, we all speak Bro, with the exception of Bomaa. Because when you look at the location, they are within the Ahafu region.
Okay.
And the Ahafu people speak Asante.
Asante. Okay.
Yes. So most of them also speak that language. So from there, they went to Abesim.
Okay.
Abesim, under the cooler. Besiase.
Besiase.
Yes, under the cooler.
Okay.
Abesim bebre also. Abesinum. Then so there they move again to Chiraa. Literally means yenche waha. Yenche waha. We will not stay long.
Here.
Yes, we'll be moving forward.
Yeah.
And Chiraa too, as I already said, because of the natural blessings of God.
Yeah.
They had people coming from Techimai, Wenchi there to have a trade with them.
Right.
So their stay was very, very good.
Okay.
And from Chiraa, they moved to Dormaa, which was called Wampem.
Wampem.
Presently,
Okay. Yeah.
Dormaahene.
Wow. How did the name change?
Right. The name Dormaahene is Dormaa. The history of Dormaa can never be complete without saying kudos to Nana Kum Da.
Because he loves it.
Yes, she was a peacemaker. She loved her children, and she never allowed these keys to be torn apart because of chieftaincy. So she took a bold step to take Kuma from the place.
Wow.
So Dormaa,
Dormaa.
the love of my children. Or my beloved children. That gave the name Dormaa. The Wampem, there is a river there called Wamp.
Yeah.
Wampem. So that was the name of the area.
Yeah.
But with the great deed of that woman, the love of that great woman,
yeah,
gave the name Dormaa.